So hello guys, welcome to iTechUp YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you reason about this person is unavailable on the messenger. Lot of messenger users reported to this person is unavailable on the messenger show on my iPhone and Android. In this video I will show you reason about this person is unavailable on the messenger on your iPhone and Android. Most messenger users will be aware of this person is unavailable on the messenger message. This message appears when user is unable to send message to someone on the messenger on iPhone and Android. However, there is a not single specific reason that is the message will be appear. We have listed several reasons to which this issue occur and also provide the method for the checking them out. Messenger users to say this person is unavailable on the messenger show on my iPhone and Android. Now discuss about the 3 reasons of this issue on your iPhone and Android. Before the starting this video, so guys, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Now first one reason is most important. The reason is blocked by user. So guys, one of the most common reason is when the persons you are the messaging has blocked you from the messenger and Facebook. You will be unable to send any message and also you will be see that this person is unavailable on the messenger messaging. So guys, this is the first reason of this person is unavailable on the messenger. So guys, now I discuss about the second reason of this problem. The second reason is also important. The user has deactivated account. As it turned out, if the users you are messaging has deactivated their messenger and Facebook, then you can't message them. You will see that this person is unavailable on the message. So guys, this is the second reason of the problem in iPhone and Android. Now I will discuss about the third reason of this person is unavailable on the messenger in iPhone and Android. Now last reason is an account terminated by the Facebook. Lastly, if Facebook terminated the account of the user, then you will be unable to send message them on the messenger. So guys, these 3 reasons though you can easily show these problems this person is unavailable on the messenger on iPhone and Android. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Thank you so much.